welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make meatballs and as well as some gourmet hacks that are going to help you get there. So not only am I making just meatballs, but I'm actually going to make a pesto mushroom and spinach pasta. And so I have some gourmet hacks that I want to share with you as well as how to make the meatballs themselves. So I have some pesto here that I bought in store. Yes, you can still make delicious and nutritious foods that you can still have, hacks. You don't have to necessarily make the sauces yourself in order for them to be delicious and nutritious. And I also have holistic hack, of course, veggie pasta. I love using veggie pasta. It's another great way to really infuse your food with vegetables. And I also have portobello mushrooms, spinach. I have some Parmesan cheese as well as some Italian bread. So we have everything that we need for our pasta, but we want to first make the meatballs. And so I have some ground turkey already here. I have some croutons that I crushed in a Ninja bullet. This is about 10 croutons worth that I have here. And I also have finely chopped garlic that I am also going to put in here, very finely chopped, and salt, pepper, of course, and olive oil. So I'm going to mix all of these ingredients up, and I'm going to show you how to do it here. So you have the ground meat, and I love using ground meat because it's a great hack. There's so much you can use or you could do with ground meats, ground chicken, ground turkey. I like to stick with leaner meats, but ground beef all the same. You could put it in chili, you can make turkey burgers, turkey chili. You can make so many different things with ground meats, right? But when you do use leaner meats, some of those meats are not as, they don't have as much fat. They're leaner meats. So we want to make sure that we're also going to moisten our meat with a hack. So sometimes if you have cream, like heavy whipping cream, you could definitely use that. But what we have on hand is mayonnaise. Put a dollop of mayonnaise in your meatballs to moisten up the meat because nothing's worse than a dry turkey, right? So don't do that to yourself or your friends. And another thing that you want to keep in mind is when you're making ground turkey or ground meatballs, the breadcrumbs help bind them together to get that crunch on the outside while you're frying them. But an egg actually is what helps you bind everything together. Otherwise there would be no ball, it would just be meat. So when I was younger, my mom used to make meatloaf and meatballs, and I used to turn my eye thinking that I did not see what she was putting in there because I'm not really that big of a fan of eggs. But in this case, and as I've gotten older and wiser, I know that sometimes you just have to use an egg. And so from there, we have everything in our bowl. We have our breadcrumbs, about 10 croutons worth of breadcrumbs pulsed in a Ninja bullet. We have 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. We have 1 egg, a dollop of mayo, salt, pepper, EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, and we can stir this up until it turns into a brand new consistency. Everything will be blended together. And so I love that I'm making this tonight because it's all really about the heart chakra and being grounded. So in relation to your chakras, I'm making something that is going to be grounding with the portobello mushrooms that we have, as well as the pesto, spinach. We have vegetable pasta, so there's a lot of green involved as well. And so that's going to help us, really open and balance our heart chakra, our root chakra, and is really going to have a delicious and nutritious meal that is going to be like gourmet hack, semi-homemade, but it's still going to be really fresh. And so once you mix all of this together, you would then be able to take big, as big or small as you would like, lumps of the meat that you have here, and you can put these on high heat with a skillet, EVOO in the skillet, and just let those fry up. So as small or as big as you want. There's 3 of us here, so I'm probably just gonna make, you know, some pretty big ones. But if I was making more of a spaghetti or something, I'd wanna make small ones that were more bite-sized. But the pasta that we have has nice little cups to it, so I can make some that are a little bit bigger. But that's it, you know, ground meat, making meatloaf or meatballs, they're so quick and easy. You can eat them on the go, you can make them with quick and easy sauce as well as with pasta. There's so many awesome ways you can use meatballs and as a snack as well as dinner. So I hope you're having a great meal tonight. I wonder what you're cooking. Until next time, shine on, eat your chakras.